Flippity.net is a program I use to either call on random students in class or assign random lab groups. So in order to use this, you need to go to Flippity.net and then click on template for the random name picker. Once you click on that template, it'll open up a Google Sheet that looks like this at first, right? Where on the left column you can simply type in all of your students' names for that class. If you have photos, you can put them in column B. I don't have any photos, right? But once you type in all of your names, you click Get Link at the bottom of your screen, and then click on that link. And here, it puts all the names in a spinner wheel. So if you have one student that answers all the questions and you want to call on somebody new or just switch it up, right, you can randomly spin the wheel to call on random students. Right? Now, I will also use this to assign lab groups. So let's say I want to break my class into groups of 3 for a specific lab. I just do that, right? If I need to separate Marlon and Dustin for some reason, I can randomize the groups again and again and again. So that's just a really quick way that I use Flippity. There's a lot more things that Flippity can do. I know that you can use it to make review games, flashcards and stuff like that, and it all works with Google Sheets. So check it out. Thanks. Bye.